Hello, this is Adam, the certified car seat technician with infant, toddler, youth, and the pump station and nursery. And in this video, we're going to show you on the Graco Snugride Snuglock 35 Deluxe how and when you need to move the straps up to the next level. Now, when you get this car seat for a newborn, everything is already going to be at the lowest setting. But as the child gets taller, you are going to have to move it up accordingly. Now, the way to know when it's time to move it up is you want to look at the baby's shoulder. The straps should be at or below the shoulder, so they're coming up and over. So right now it's at the lowest level for a newborn, and you see level 2 is all the way up here. When the child gets taller and their shoulder reaches level 2, you're going to move it to level 2. When they get taller and reach level 3, you move it to level 3. And when they finally reach level 4, you're going to move it to level 4. Once it's time to move up, the first thing you want to do is you want to loosen the straps all the way so you have plenty of room to work with. You're going to turn the car seat around. On the back of the car seat, you're going to see 4 slots, just like you saw on the front of the car seat. And if you're planning to move it up, you're going to see the shoulder straps. They are connected to this silver clip here, or this metal clip. You're going to need to disconnect the straps one at a time. You're going to pull it out from the front. And then you're going to feed it to the level you want. You need to make sure that the strap is not twisted or tangled and that you reconnect it properly. And that's why I always tell families to do them one at a time. So when you're reconnecting it, you can match them up and make sure they're done correctly. Now, as you can see, there's actually 2 different lengths on the shoulder strap. There's a shorter length and then there's a longer length. What Graco tells you is if the baby is using the bottom 2 levels, you're going to use the shorter length because the child is smaller. When they get to level 3 and 4, you're going to use the longer length because the child is bigger and they're going to need more room. So because I moved it to level 3, I'm going to use everything. I'm not using the middle loop. I'm using the end loop. So the loop goes through the metal clip. Make sure it goes completely inside. And then we're going to do the same thing for the other side. We disconnect it. We pull it out from the front. And then we feed it to the next level. All right. Once both of your straps are set up, the car seat is ready to use. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you next time.